keittiö Kairissalme Kurjenkatu 7 ja Piispanristi Kaarina.
This is a different elevator.
Yeah, originally built by ValmetSchlieren.
Almost 200 years.
Yeah.
Let's see when it was built. 74.
In 1974, plus in 2006 vs 3689. Let's hope that it's possible to find the original ValmetSchlieren here also. Or at least the original V-series. 6th floor. Or 10 Kone NPN 6 or a rectangular elevator also. I think there are no pop-out elevators here. 4 per so 320 kilograms. Basement. Yes, that it says P. This looks strange. I think this still a lower ground floor. Yeah, it's not basement, it's lower ground floor. Did by Kivainspector and then by Schiller, especially did by Inspector before. You can see all the labels behind the new Kivainspector label. Six, and there are I accidentally pressed the lower ground floor. Hello.
Six and still without the doors.
That's